Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Niambul, a senior tracking engineer. Are you struggling with data that just doesn't add up? Imagine seeing $120,000 in WooCommerce, but your Google Analytics 4 reports $305,000. This is a common and costly problem. When your setup is wrong, different revenue numbers are sent at different times. This mismatch makes your data useless for scaling and leads to poor business decisions. With upcoming privacy changes and the 2026 data loss challenge, legacy tracking systems are simply failing. Right now, most businesses are losing 30 to 40% of their data accuracy without even knowing it. But there is a solution. I engineer data precision using a proven 5-phase framework to fix your tracking. We start with a deep audit, move to professional implementation, and finish with rigorous quality assurance. By implementing server-side tracking, we bypass ad blockers and iOS restrictions. This allows us to achieve 99% data accuracy, giving you the full picture of your marketing performance. I correct misconfigurations between WooCommerce and GA4 to ensure every single transaction is tracked verbatim. Your data will be consistent, accurate, and ready for advanced analysis across all your platforms. But accurate data is only the first step. Is your Looker Studio reporting messy and hard to maintain? Many dashboards are built with broken logic and blending errors, making them impossible to use. I redesign your reporting infrastructure from scratch using a clean, professional architecture. I build dashboards that are easy to maintain and update without needing a developer's help. I connect and blend all your data sources from GA4 and Google Sheets to Stripe and BigQuery. Everything is brought together into one single source of truth for your entire business. You will finally get clear insights into your most important business and marketing metrics. We track ROAS, customer acquisition cost, lifetime value, and your entire customer funnel performance. My goal is to turn your raw, messy data into clear, actionable insights for your growth. When you have precision, you can measure, optimize, and scale your business with total confidence. With over 5 years of experience, I have generated over $11 million in revenue for my clients. I have completed over 1,500 successful projects with a focus on data precision and accuracy. Stop guessing and start knowing. Get the tracking precision your business deserves today. If you need this kind of help, please message me on WhatsApp or book a call at mdniamul.com. I have mentioned all my contact information in the video description and pinned comment below. Thank you for watching. I look forward to engineering your data precision. Alhamdulillah.